أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر روحي وأرواح العالمين لتراب مقدمه الفداء أما بعد فقد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في كتابه المجيد والفرقان الحميد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما صدق الله العلي العظيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, I hope everyone is well.
Wa alaikum assalam wa lana, alhamdulillah. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. Right, okay. We were on lesson number, let me just find the book. I think we're lesson number 5 on this group, or lesson number 5, I think we're on in this group.
We completed this lesson up to page number 44.
Up to page 44, yes?
Yes, we completed this page.
So I'm going to start page number 45 then. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
Exercise 3.
Exercise 3.
Okay.
Oh.
Right, okay. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Right. So, as you know, that in this exercise 3, so we are asking the questions, masculine form, Aina baytukum ya ikhwanu. Where is your house, oh brothers?
Brothers.
So, kum is used for the plural masculine, and kunna is used for plural feminine. Okay. Now, Sister Parveen Naqavi, I want you to do this exercise 1 to 6. Do the masculine and then do the female. Bismillah.
Ji, assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Aina baytukum ya ikhwanu. Where is your house, O brothers? Aina baytukunna ya akhawatu. Where is your house, O sisters? Aina akhukum ya ikhwanu. Where is your uncle, O brothers? Aina akhukunna ya akhawatu. Where is your brother, O sisters? Aina madrasatukum ya ikhwanu. Where is your school, O brothers? Aina madrasatukunna ya akhawatu. Where is your school, O sisters? Matakhtibarukum ya akhwanu. When is your exam, O brothers? This is my favorite question. Makhtibara.
Do it this way. Do it this way. So Parveen, read it this way. Mata, make your life easier. Mata ikhtibarukunna.
Mata ikhtibarukunna ya akhawatu. When is your exam, O sisters? Ahaza ammukum ya ikhwanu. Is this your paternal uncle, O brothers? Ahaza ammukunna ya ikhwanu. Is this your paternal uncle, O sisters? Abaytukum karibun ya ikhwanu. Is your house near, O brothers? Abaytukunna karibun ya akhawatu. O sisters, is your house near? في أي شهر اختباركم يا أخوان.
Ya
Which
ikhwanu. Ya ikhwanu.
يا إخوان, which month is your exam in, O brothers? في أي شهر اختباركم كنا يا أخوات? In which month is your exam, O sisters?
Excellent. Excellent. Right, so this is all of this. So you're using kum and kunna. Now the next exercise, I'm going to ask Sister Gulshan. Assalamu alaikum, Sister Gulshan.
Yes, walaikum assalam, Maulana.
How are you?
I'm good.
Alhamdulillah. Right, Sister Gulshan, I want you to do the next exercise. Anti, antunna, anta, and antum. So what you need to do is look at the nouns. If the nouns are singular, then you use either anta or anti. And if the noun has a tie marputa at the end, then you use anti. And then if it's tabibatun, which is, it's the sound, feminine plural ending with alif and a flat ta, then you will use the plural for female. And if it's plural, then you use antum. So bismillah, go and do this exercise 1 to 7.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Anta Muslimun. Is correct?
Correct.
Okay. Number 2. Anti Muslimatun. Okay. Number 3. Antunna Tabibatun.
Antunna tabibatun, correct.
And the 4th one is Antum Tujarun.
Antum tujarun, correct.
The 5th one is Anta Bintu Mudarrisi. Anta Mudarrisi, correct. Anta, okay. Number 6.
No. No, number 5 is incorrect.
Antum it will come.
So,
Mudarrisi.
So you could say here, anta, are you, or antum.
Okay, I didn't saw anta. Okay.
Yeah, you could say both. So you could say both of them, anta or anti. So here, can you see here now?
Bintu means a female, so I should say anti.
Correct. So you cannot be anta or anti. It has to be anti. Anti bintul mudarris.
Anti bintul mudarris.
Correct.
Ikhwatun Abbasin. Antunna. Akhwatun. Akhwatu Abbasin.
Correct.
Okay. Antum tullabun.
Antum tullabun, are you?
Antum tullabun. Okay.
Are you students?
Antum tullabun. Okay.
Excellent. Right, now the next exercise I will ask, who I'm going to ask? Sister Zainab Hassan. Assalamu alaikum, Sister Zainab. Sister Zainab, are you there?
Oh, I'm here. I'm looking for my glasses. Just give me some time.
No problem. Okay, that's fine.
We have Sister Munira too.
I know, I'm going to ask Sister Munira as well. So Sister Munira's class and your class, so because you finished book 2, I'm going to, inshallah, from probably tomorrow, I'm going to message tonight, arrange a class tomorrow. So inshallah tomorrow, I will do a session where we'll catch up and try to do everything, inshallah. So I'll try to arrange a time tomorrow, inshallah. See what time we could do.
Thank you so much, Mawlana.
I have not finished book 2. We haven't finished.
Yeah, I think it's one lesson which is remaining, so I'll finish that lesson off. Okay, Sister Zainab, you find your glasses?
Yeah, what page are we on?
We're on page number 46.
Okay, and what exercise?
Exercise 5. So fill in the blanks with the suitable possessive pronouns. Ka, kum, ki, and kunna.
Okay, kaku.
So what you'll need to do, Zainab, I'll give you a hint. You'll need to look at the words after, if it's ya, look at the word after ya, if it's a singular, plural, or singular, plural, or dual. So you need to check whether it's feminine, singular, feminine, or masculine. So
Okay.
if it's masculine, you will know that it will be anta. Whether it's singular anta or antum, you will understand from that. So you have
Okay.
ka, kum, ki, kunna. Ka is for singular masculine, kum is
Yeah.
for plural masculine, and so forth.
Okay.
Continue.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Aina baituka. Kuba. Aina baitukum ya
Yep.
ukhna.
Ya ikhwanu.
Ya ikhwanu.
Correct. Aina
Ah.
baytukum ya ikhwanu. Correct.
Haza kitabu Hamidun. It is ka. Haza kitabuka ya Hamidu.
So make it in the form of a question as well. Ahada kitabuka ya Hamid?
Yeah. Haza kitabuka ya Hamid.
Excellent.
Sa'atu jamilatun ya Layli.
Ya Layla.
Ya Layla. Jamilatun. Sa'atu. Sa'atu is key.
Watch. Watch.
Yeah. Sa'atu ki.
Yep.
Jamilatun ya Layli. Ya Layla.
Yes. Sa'atuki jamilatun ya Layla. Correct.
Man abu ya akhwata. Ya akhwatu. It is plural and it is male.
No,
Man
female. Akhwat is sisters.
sisters. Okay, so it is kunna.
Yep.
Man abu kunna ya akhwatu.
Translation?
Okay, translation. Man abu kunna ya akhwatu. Where is your father? Ya
No, man abu. Who is your father?
Yeah, who is your father or sisters?
Excellent.
Okay. Ya ismu ya sayyadi. Ya sayyadi is female. Ya ismu ki ya sayyadi. What is your name, or sister?
No, ya sayyidi, oh master, oh mister. Ya sayyidi.
Sayyadi is mister. Okay. Ma ismuki ya sayyadati. What is your ma ismuki, right?
Yep, that's correct.
Ma ismuki ya sayyadati. It is a female master.
Correct.
Okay. Ummu fil baiti. Ummu fil baiti.
Ya akhawatu. The word ya akhawatu is with it as well.
Ya akhawat. Ummuki fil baiti.
So ya akhawatu is plural. Remember that. You're talking to a group of sisters.
Yeah. Ma.
No. Do it again. Ummu. So ya akhawatu. Is your mother in the house, oh sisters?
Oh, in my book is fil baiti.
Yeah, so there should be underneath it ya akhawatu.
Oh, I didn't see the whole sentence.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you know, everyone makes the same mistake here because it's ya akhawatu underneath it. It doesn't seem as if so. Ummuki is correct, but you have to look at ya akhawatu is plural, so you need to bring a plural pronoun.
Okay. Ummu kunna fil ya akhwatu fi baiti. Ummu is mother.
Yep. Is your mother in the house, oh sisters? Correct. Ummu kunna fil baiti ya akhawatu. Correct.
Ma asma'u ya ikhwanu. Ma asma'u. Its name, right? Ma asma'u ikhwa. It is brother.
Yep.
Ma asma'u kunna ya ikhwanu.
Kunna is for female. You need the opposite.
Kunna.
Ma asma'ukum.
Oh yeah, that's good. Ma asma'u kum ya ikhwanu.
Excellent. Yeah. Ma asma'ukum ya ikhwanu. Ahsanti. Translation?
Yeah. What is your name, brothers?
Excellent. Right. Brilliant. Now, I would like now Sister Farida. Sister Farida, Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam, Sheikh.
How are you?
How are you?
Alhamdulillah.
I'm okay, thank you.
Are you going to Iran? Was it yourself
Okay.
who's going to Iran?
Sorry?
Was you yourself who's going to Iran next month or this month?
No, not me. Sheikh, I wish I was going.
I can't remember who it was. One of the sisters was going. I can't remember who it was now.
Yeah, I think she was from Florida, that lady was saying, yeah.
What was her name? I've forgotten her name now.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not a problem. You'll find her. Okay, bismillah.
Okay.
Number
Okay.
6.
All right. So number 1 would be Nahanu Muslimun.
Nope. So fill in the blanks with ana and nahnu. So remember, you have to
Yeah.
look. Ana will come with a singular noun. Nahnu will come with a plural nouns.
Oh, okay. So Ana Muslimun.
Correct?
Number 2 would be Nahanu Muslimuna.
Correct?
Number 3 is Muslimatun. So number 1, that would be Ana Muslimatun.
Mhm.
That is a female, yeah. And then number 4 is Nahnu Muslimatun.
Correct?
And again, it would be Nahnu Banatul Mudiri.
Correct.
Mudiri, yeah. And then Anabnu Mudrasin.
Correct.
Mudrasin, yeah.
Mudarrisin.
Mudarisin. And then number 2 would be it is number 2. So Nahnu Tulabun. And the last one is Marizatun. So that would be Ana Marizatun.
Ana maridatun. So ana is used for female and masculine as well. Ahsanti. Right.
Yeah.
Jazakallah. Thank you. Now, next person I will ask. MashaAllah. It's good to see someone. Parveen Zahra.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. How are you, Sister Parveen?
Good.
I know we missed Monday's class, but it's good that you joined this class. Bismillah, 1 to 5, and then after that, Sister Munira. Go ahead, Sister Parveen.
ذهب أبي إلى القاهرة قبل أسبوع.
Yep.
My father left to Cairo last week.
Qabla usbu'in. Yeah, last week or before a week. Correct. Both is correct. So
متى خرج
now I have a question for you, Sister Parveen. Now, dhahaba abi. The word abi. Who is the fa'il of every verb has a doer. Who is the fa'il of dhahaba? As you know, dhahaba is a noun. Sorry, a verb.
أبي
Correct. And what else is there? That's fine. Continue.
متى خرجت من الفصل يا محمد خرجت بعد الدرس. When did you leave from the classroom, O Muhammad? خرجت بعد الدرس. It will be he left or I left?
Kharajtu, I exited.
I exited after the lesson.
Correct.
ذهبت إلى المسجد قبل الأذان. I went towards the mosque before the prayers.
Correct.
متى ذهب أمك إلى الرياض يا آمنة. When did you go, O uncle, to Riyadh, O Amina? Your uncle to Riyadh, O Amina.
Yeah, so when did you? So let's translate again. Mata dhahaba ammuka. So when did your uncle go? So when you use the word did, when did that changes go to past tense? When did your uncle go to Riyadh, O Amina?
Okay. ذهب قبل شهر. He left a month before.
Yep.
بعد الصلاة ذهبت إلى المطعم. Is after prayers.
No, did.
Did after prayers.
No, did you? No, did you?
Did you
go?
Did you go to restaurant after prayers?
No. So you will say, did you go after prayers to the restaurant?
Okay.
Yeah. So did you go after prayers to the restaurant?
Okay.
Yeah.
So did you go after prayers to the restaurant?
Right.
La. ذهبت قبل الصلاة. No, I went before the prayers.
Excellent. Jazakallah. Thank you. Now, Sister Murida, can you come on the mic?
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Sister Munira, I want you to do this exercise here and explain what is happening here.
It's the first four starts with the questions. أين ذهبت يا أخي?
Yep.
Where did you go, oh my brother?
Right.
أين ذهبتم يا إخواني? Where did you all go, oh my brothers?
Right.
أين ذهبت يا أختي?
Yeah.
Is it أختي? There is fatha there.
There's a mistake there.
أين ذهبت يا أختي? Where did you go, oh my sister? أين ذهبتن يا أخواتي? Where did you all go, oh my sisters? أنا ذهبت. I went. نحن ذهبنا. We went.
So you'll see that the actual, whatever comes after ya, which is called munada. Munada means that the particle which is used for calling. If the whatever comes after the actual ya, if it's plural, the verb comes plural. If it's singular, the verb comes singular as well. So they always correspond with each other itself.
Yeah.
Right.
Got it.
Yep. Now I'm going to ask the next student, which is going to be Sister Nazhat. You've been a bit quiet. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam, Sheikh.
Sorry. Where's Norina? I haven't seen her. I was going to ring her today, but
I don't know. Last time when I said, she said she wasn't feeling well, and then she had COVID, and then I don't know what happened to her.
okay, I'll ring her. I'll ring her tomorrow. I'll find out how she.
Yeah, inshallah.
Bismillah. Al-kalimatul jadidatu. The new words.
Qabla, qabla before, ba'da after, kayfa how, mata when, al-asbu'u
Al-asbu'u.
al-asbu'u week, al-shahru month, al-azanu azan, as-salatu prayers, raja'a he returned.
Excellent. Now, al-dhamairu al-munfasilu, munfasilatu means the detached pronouns. So, huwa, hiya, anta, anti, ana, nahnu. These are called hum, hunna, antum, antunna, nahnu. They are called detached pronouns. They always come individually. So, I would like you to read them and translate them as well. So, go across. So, huwa is singular, hum is plural. Go ahead.
Okay. Huwa talibun, he is a student. Hum tullabun, they are students.
Right.
Hiya talibatun, she is a student. Hunna talibatun, they are female students. Anta talibun, you are a student. Antum tullabun, you are all students. Anti talibatun, you female students. Antunna talibatun, you all female students. Ana talibun, I am a student. Nahnu tullabun, we are students. Ana talibatun, I am a student. Nahnu talibatun, we are all students.
Excellent. Right, I'm not going to do the points to remember because we've done it already when we did the lesson, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, what's the time? You got enough time, okay. I'm going to do lesson number 6, and this lesson is really easy. Now, in this lesson, let me use this. I'm going to explain. Now, in this lesson, we are going to learn about how to use hada. How to use hada. So we have learned before that hada is for masculine and hadihi is for female.
Feminine.
Feminine.
Yeah,
Female.
female. Now please listen to this carefully and I'll make it really easy for yourself. So it says asma'ul ishara lil qarib lil aqil. So asma means the demonstrative nouns, lil qarib, or something which is someone or someone is near, and it's rational. Lil aqil means rational. So you're pointing towards a rational person. So you see here hada talibun, this is a
Student.
and haulai tullabun, these are
Students.
Students.
hadihi talibatun,
Female student.
this is a female student, and haulai talibatun, these are
Female students.
correct. So this is a student, this is a student, and haulai, yeah, and haulai is these are, correct. So remember, haulai is these, whereas hada and hadihi comes in the meaning of this. Yes? And then we have dhalika, which is asma'ul ishara lil ba'id lil aqil. So the demonstrative nouns for something which is further away and for rational beings. So it's sometimes we call it the rational nouns. Rational nouns meaning that is referring to human beings. Okay. Now the hada version for something which is further away is for the dhalika. Hada becomes dhalika. Hadihi becomes tilka.
Haulai.
Becomes
Haulai.
no, becomes tilka.
Tilka, okay.
Yeah, the ba'id becomes tilka. Tilka is a feminine version of hadihi, which means that. Dhalika means that, tilka means that. The only difference is gender. Dhalika talibun, that is a
Student. Male student.
Yes.
Male student.
yeah. And then tilka talibatun, that is a
Female one student.
correct. And then we have the plural of dhalika and tilka. So when a plural noun comes and something is further away, we use ulaika. Ulaika, ulaika tullabun, ulaika
Those
talibun.
are
So we'll use here now. So haulai is these, that's something which is close by. And when it's ulaika, as Sister Munira mentioned, ulaika means those. Ulaika tullabun, those are students. And ulaika talibatun, those are female students. Is this clear so far? You can unmute yourself.
Yes. Yes.
yes.
Now, the next part now, you will see a difference now. So what's going to happen now in this lesson, this is the whole theme of this lesson, is that asma'ul ishara lil qarib li ghayri aqil. So the demonstrative nouns for irrational, it's called irrational noun. So irrational noun means ghayri aqil, means that they are nouns, they're singulars and plurals, but they're not referring to human beings. Is that clear? That's called a ghayri aqil. Okay. Now, the word baytun and sayaratun. Baytun is masculine because it doesn't have a ta marbuta at the end, and sayaratun has a ta marbuta. So the singulars can be feminine or masculine. So hadha baytun, this is a house. Hadihi sayaratun, this is a car. Correct. Now, when we do the plurals, remember this now. When we do the plurals of the irrational noun, masculine and feminine, when we do the plural of the irrational nouns of the masculine and the feminine, buyutun is the plural of baytun, sayaratun is the plural of sayaratun. Now, what happens is that in both of these cases, we will not use over and above. We use haulai. Remember, for the plurals, for rational nouns, we use haulai talibatun. These are female students. But when we do the plural of irrational nouns, we will treat buyutun and sayaratun will treat them as singular feminine. Singular and feminine. So singular feminine was هذه سيارة. So the demonstrative noun هذه will be used with both of these nouns. So هذه بيوت, هذه
سيارات.
هذه سيارات. So هذه normally means this are houses. This are houses makes no sense in the English language. So even though in Arabic is هذه, we cannot translate as this are houses. It makes no sense. So what you need to remember is that when you're doing the plurals of irrational nouns, we will use هذه in Arabic, but in English we'll still use these.
Right.
Yeah, Sister Inshallah, you're a bit quiet. Assalamu alaikum, Sister Inshallah. Sister Inshallah, you can unmute yourself. Okay, she may be busy somewhere else. Okay, right. Sister Zainab Hassan, is that clear for you?
Yeah, it's clear. Thank you.
Sister Parveen Razai, Assalamu alaikum. She was here. She's disappeared as well. Okay, right. If that's clear, then I'll move on now. Then we have the next part. Asma'ul Ishara. Asma'ul Ishara. للبعيد لغير عاقل. So Asma'ul Ishara, demonstrative nouns for irrational nouns, for an object itself. So ذلك and tilka, like we did above. ذلك بيت, that is a house. تلك سيارة, that is a car. Now, normally when we did the plurals for human beings, we use أولئك طلاب, أولئك طالبات. But over here now, like we did with the actual singulars, هذا بيت, هذه سيارة, become هذه. Over here, when something further away is that, we will not say, so we will treat the buyutun and sayyaratun as singular feminine again. So dhalika was for the masculine, and the opposite of dhalika is tilka. So we will use tilka buyutun, tilka
سيارات.
Sayaratun.
Is this clear, Sister Gulshan, for you?
Yes.
Yes.
Maulana, I have a question from Quran.
जो क्वेश्चन आपने करना तिलका रुsul फضल ala ba'd
Yeah.
I will answer that question.
Rasul are the most intelligent people, and Allah says Tilka.
Yeah, I will answer that question later on. I will answer that question.
Okay, I understand. I don't want to confuse anybody.
Yeah, I'll do that in a minute. Okay, now I'm going to ask. Who will I ask? Who's going to be good? Someone. Sister Parveen Zahra. Can I request you? Yeah, I want you to read the points to remember.
Okay.
Go ahead.
In this lesson, we learn the following. Number 1, in Arabic, nouns are classified as rational and irrational. These are called intelligent and non-intelligent. Rational nouns are those that refer to human beings. Angels, devils, and such beings are also included in this class. Irrational nouns refers to things, animals, and concepts. In the singular, there is no difference between these two groups. In plural, however, there is a very important difference. Plural of rational nouns are treated as plural, so plural words like they, these are used to refer to them. Plural of irrational nouns are treated as feminine singular. For example, Haza talibun jadidun huwa sagirun. That is singular. This student is new. He is small. Plural, haulai tullabun judduhu hum sigarun.
Jududun.
Jududun hum sigarun. These students are new.
These are new students.
These are new students. They are small.
They are small, yes. or they are
Gaida
young,
akilun. Sorry.
or they are young.
They are young. Gaida akilun irrational. Haza kitabun jadidun huwa sagirun. This is singular. This book is new. It is small. Plural. Hazihi kutbun jadidatun hiya sagiratun.
So explain now by looking at these examples. So hada kitabun jadidun. So hada is masculine. Kitabun is masculine. The adjective is masculine as well. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes.
So this is a new book. And because kitab is masculine, so when you want to say it is small, or we'll say huwa saghirun. So as you know, in the Arabic language, there's no word for it. So they use the pronoun huwa or hiya. Correct?
Yes. So huwa is for both living and non-living.
Yes, that's right. And then when we do plural of hada kitabun, and want to say these books, so we will use the singular feminine of hada, which is,
Hazihi
and the plural of kitabun is
kutubun.
kutubun. Now, even the adjective now, look at the adjective. Even, so hadhihi will come, the singular feminine, and even the adjective will come singular feminine. So can you see jadidatun? So even the adjective, so remember this point. When we do plurals of irrational nouns, meaning غير عاقل, we will use the demonstrative nouns in the singular feminine, and also the adjectives will come in the singular feminine, like jadidatun.
Okay, so no matter if the noun is singular or like the masculine or feminine.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. As long as plural, irrational, it will come singular feminine. Look on top. Ha'ulai, tulabun, jududun. These are new students. So the word jududun is plural. But over here, kutubun is plural, but the adjective is singular feminine.
Okay.
Is that clear now?
Yes. Hard to remember.
No, practice. Practice makes perfect. And inshallah, this lesson and the next lesson is also intertwined with each other. The more you practice, inshallah, you'll get to it. Now, you will see that when we want to point towards these books now, we will not use huwa saghirun, but we will use
Sagiratun.
ya saghiratun. Correct.
Okay. So these are new books. These are small.
So you could say they are, you can refer them, they are small, yeah.
So regard the plural of irrational nouns as feminine singular. Note, at-tullabu kharaju. The students went out. Al-kilabu kharajat. The dogs went out. We have learned some patterns of the broken plural. Here are some more. Masajido, the mosque. Masjido, mosque. Mafa'ilo, the pattern has no tanween. What does it mean?
So we have learned some patterns of broken plurals. Here are some. So there has no. Okay, so I'll explain. So mafa'ilo, so this is a type of plural in the Arabic language on the pattern of mafa'ilo. So masjidun, masajidu, daftaru, dafatiru, meaning that this pattern of the plural, the last letter does not have a tanween. That's what it means. This pattern has no tanween, meaning that the last letter in the plural, normally we learn kitabun, kitabun, kutubun, masjid, rajulun, rijalun. So these plurals do not have a tanween at the end. That's what it means.
Okay.
Got that?
Yeah, dafatiru.
Daftarun, dafatiru.
Daftarun, dafatiru. Okay, singular and plural.
Okay.
Yeah.
4 words and that's it.
Al-Funduku Hotel.
Al-Funduku.
Al-Funduku Hotel. Al-Ta'iratu airplane. Al-Nahru river. Al-Bahru sea.
Excellent. Right, so let me go for the lesson now. Jazakallah, thank you. Any question from anyone?
Sheikh,
Yes,
I don't right or wrong, but this is what I'm saying here. Masjidun has got two tanween. Excuse me. And masajidu has got alif after sin. So is that the way it doesn't have the do tanween?
No. Okay, let me tell you this one.
It's
Okay,
okay.
it's good that you asked the question. Now I'll explain. Now, the word masjidun and daftarun, the mafa'ilo, now in the Arabic language, there is a category of nouns which are called dip-tone nouns. Dip-tone nouns are those nouns which do not take tanween. So there's a one classification of nouns which do not take tanween, and masajidu and dafatiru is from that category.
Okay.
Now, I'll give you an example. Now, many people, even on the pulpits, make this mistake. Listen to the mistake. Subbat alayya masa'ib. Law subbat ala al-ayam sirna al-layaliya. Who said this?
It was one of the duas. No,
not duas.
Bibi Fatima.
Yes.
Fatima,
Bibi
yeah.
Fatima.
Fatima.
Yes. Sayyidah Fatima Zahra sallallahu alayha said this. So this is the way people read it. Subbat alayya masa'ibun. They say subbat alayya masa'ibun law subbat alal ayam sirna al-layaliya. Now that's incorrect. It's subbat alayya masa'ibu. Musibatun and it's masa'ibu.
Is it because of the alif in the middle?
Exactly. So whenever you have a plural, and in the plural you have alif there, and after the alif there are two letters, that is a diptone noun.
Okay.
It doesn't get tanween. So the diptone nouns, inshallah, I'll do diptone nouns in more details when we come to it. But I did mention in book 1 about diptone nouns. Some nouns do not take in tanween. We did Ghadban and Jo'anu. You may probably remember in book 1. So there are nouns which either end with alif and noon, or on the part of mafa'ilun, masajidu, or mafatihu. You know, we say mafatihul ghaib. The word mafatihu is always mafatihu, with a dhamma, it never takes a tanween at the end.
Okay.
Right, let's start. Let's do the lesson. Okay, everyone on their toes now. Let me do this lesson. I'm not going to read the lesson. I'm going to ask Sister Sukaina Karam Ali or Sister Shahla, are you there? Sister Sukaina Karam Ali or Sister Shahla Anjum? If you're not there, then I will ask my senior student, Sister Mukarrama.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Sister Mukarrama, can you teach the students this lesson?
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Shall I start reading?
Yes, start from Ad-Darsu Sadisu and explain everything you understand about this lesson, what we have learned from points to remember.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Al-Mudarrisu liman hadhihi al-aqlam ya Muhammad. The teacher says, to whom do these pens belong? Whose are these pens? So, hadhihi aqlam. Aqlam are plural, but it is hadhihi, only singular feminine.
Correct.
Taken to hadhihi aqlam ya Muhammad. Muhammad, hiya li ya ustaz. Hiya is for they, but it is only singular feminine. Hiya li ya ustaz. They are mine, O teacher. Al-Mudarrisu. Hiya jamilatun jidda. So he's referring to many pens, but he says only the singular. Hiya. They are beautiful, very beautiful. وَهَذِهِ الْكُتُبُ الْجَدِيدَةُ أَهِيَ لَكَ. And these new books, are they yours as well?
Excellent.
And it refers وَهَذِهِ, only singular for feminine. Kutubu is plural book for books. Al-jadidatu is the adjective for plural for books, but it's in singular feminine. Ahiya laka, are they yours? But it's using ahiya. Here is singular feminine. Do they belong to you as well? And Muhammad replies, La hiya li Hamidin. No, they are for Hamid. Again, here singular. Al-Mudarisu aina dafatirukum ya ikhwanu. Where are your notebooks, oh brothers? Aliyun hiya huna ala hadha al-maktabi. So they are here on the desk. Hadha al-maktabi.
On this desk.
On this desk.
Correct. Excellent. MashaAllah, that's really good. And that's the way I was going to want to go for. Right, I'm going to ask now who I'm going to ask next to go through this. Let's get Sister Parveen Naqvi. Can you go through the next one now? I want you to Mufrad and Jam, and then Sister Sister Gulshan can do the next one then. You do Alif,
Okay.
and Sister Gulshan will do Ba.
Okay. Al-mufradu, single person. Haza talibun jadidun. This is a new student. Huwa min America. He is from America. And plural al-jama. Haulai tulabun jududun. These are new students. Hum min America. They are from America.
Sister Gulshan, next one.
Yes. Mufradu. Haza kitabun jadidun. This is a new book. Huwa min America. These are from America.
It is from America.
It is from America. So yes, it is from America. Jamun. Hazihi kutubun jadidatun. These are beautiful books.
No, new books.
New books. Iya min America. Those are from America.
Those are from America. Excellent. Now, over here now, I'm going to ask you to do, everyone in class, I'm going to ask everyone to do, how many are there? There is, I think, 10 or 11, that's fine. How many? I think it's 20, 16, okay, that's fine. So everyone is going to do 2 each. So you will see here all of them. So whenever Najmun, Najumun. So this exercise is dealing with objects, and when it comes plural, we use a singular feminine. So Sister Gulshan, do 1 and 2.
Okay. Haza najmun. Hazihi nujumun.
Correct.
Correct? Okay. Haza darasun. Hazihi durusun.
Translation.
Okay. Haza najmun. This is a star. Hazihi najumun. These are stars.
Correct.
Haza darsun. This is a lesson.
Correct.
Hazihi durusun. These are lessons.
Correct.
Okay.
Next person, I'm going to ask Sister Farida. Can you do 2 and 4?
Yes, Sheikh, yeah. Haza al-qalamun. This is a pen. Hazihi aklamun. These are pens.
Correct.
Haza babun. This is a door. Hazihi abwabun. These are doors.
Excellent. Sister Munira. 5 and 6.
Haza nahrun. This is a river. Hazihi anharun. These are rivers. Haza jabalun. This is a mountain. Hazihi jibalun. These are mountains.
Excellent. Sister Zainab.
Haza kalbun. This is a dog. Hazihi kilabun. These are dogs. Haza bahrun. I don't know what bahrun is.
Ocean.
Ocean. Okay. This is the ocean. Hazihi biharun. These are the oceans.
Excellent. Sister Nazhat.
هذا كتاب. This is a book. هذه كتب. These are books. هذا حمار. This is a donkey. هذه حمر. These are donkeys.
Excellent. Sister Parveen Zahra.
هذا سرير. This is a bed. هذه سرور. These are beds. هذا دفتر. This is a notebook. هذه دفاتر. These are notebooks.
Excellent. Sister Mukarrama.
هذا مكتب. This is a library. هذا مكاتب. هذه مكاتب. These are libraries. هذا فندق. This is a hotel. هذه فنادق. These are hotels.
Excellent. Sister Zainab Hassan.
هذه ساعة. هذه. These are the watch.
No, this is a watch. Singular. Sa'atun is singular.
ساعة. Yeah. هذه ساعة. This is the watch. هذه ساعات. These are the watches. هذه سيارة. This is the car. هذه سيارة. These are the cars.
Rat sayyaratun. There's a alif after the ra.
سيارات.
Correct. Right. Is this clear so far?
Yes.
Sure?
Yeah, sure. This is clear.
That's good. That's good. Okay. Sister Gulshan, do 16. Okay, do the last three. Sister Gulshan, 17, 18, 19.
Okay. هذه طائرة. These are birds.
This is a airplane.
This is, or it's aeroplane.
Yeah.
This is aeroplane. هذه طائرات. ذلك نجم. تلك نجوم.
MashaAllah, you remember that well. Good.
تلك سيارة. تلك سيارات.
MashaAllah. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. Right. Now I'm going to ask next Sister Parveen Naqawi.
Ji Maulana.
I want you to do 1 to 5.
Okay.
So you need to fill in the blanks with a suitable demonstrative pronouns. هذا, هذه, هؤلاء.
هذا رجل. This is a man. هؤلاء رجال. These are men. هذا كلب. This is a dog. هذه كلاب. These are dogs. هذه دروس. These are lessons. هؤلاء مدرسون.
Jazakallah. Jazakallah. I know you could. When you go like a speed. Okay, Jazakallah. Thank you. Parveen Zahra. Parveen Zahra.
هذه مدرسون.
No. هؤلاء مدرسون. It's plural. Teachers.
Oh, sorry. هؤلاء مدرسون. أخواتي. هؤلاء أخواتي. هذه أقلام.
Correct.
هذا كتاب.
Correct.
هذه سيارات.
Excellent.
هذا سيارة.
Oh, incorrect.
سيارة.
Sayyar is singular. Feminine.
Oh, it's هذه. Sorry.
Correct. So in the plural and the actual singular is هذه سيارات and هذه سيارة. Correct.
Okay.
Sister Nazhat. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17.
هذا حمار. This is a donkey. هذه كتب. This is a book.
No, these are books. These. هذه كتب. These are books.
So these are, sorry. These هذه حمر. These are donkeys. هذه عين. This is the eye.
هذا عين.
Yeah.
هذا عين. Yeah.
هذا عين. It's not. It's two. So is it female or masculine? عين.
So if we use the word aynani, then it'll be hadhihi. Hadani. So because ain is singular, you're right. I know limbs are limbs which are dual. They are feminine, but the word ainun is one eye.
Okay, one eye. Okay. هذه عين. This is an eye. هذه طبيبة. This is a doctor.
Excellent.
هؤلاء طبيبات. These are doctors.
Excellent. Excellent. Next person will be Sister Farida.
Yes, Sheikh, yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Zalika talibun
Mhm.
and ulaika tulabun.
Excellent.
Zalika najmun. Tilka nujumun.
Tilka nujum ahsanti. And number 5?
Number 5 will be tilka bintun.
Excellent. Sister who has not had a chance, Sister Mukarrama. I think she disappeared. Okay, who's gonna be next? Who's gonna be next? Shahla. Sister Shahla's not answering. Sister Zainab then.
Okay. Banatun. Banatun. Ulaika banatun.
Correct.
Darrajatun. I don't know what darrajatun is.
Bicycle.
Huh? Bicycle.
Bicycle.
Okay. Bicycle is female. Tilka darrajatun.
Correct.
And darrajatun, it's the same. Tilka darrajatun.
Correct.
And sarirun is a singular, so it will be the same.
No.
Tilka
Sarira is masculine.
is masculine.
Yeah.
Zalika.
Correct.
Zalika sarirun.
And the plural will be treated as singular feminine.
Will be the tilka.
Correct. Correct. Tilka.
Sururun.
Correct.
Dajajatun. What is dajajatun?
Hen. Female hen.
Oh, okay. This is going to be dajajatun. It is going to be. It is going to be female. So tilka.
Correct.
Dajajatun. Mudarrisatun. It is going to ulaika. Mudarrisatun.
Itai marbuta is singular feminine. One female teacher.
Okay, so it will be tilka mudarrisatun.
Correct.
Okay.
Excellent. Right. Jazakallah. The last ones I'm going to ask Sister, who I'm going to ask, Sister Munira. Finish the last ones off.
Ulaika.
Ulaika mudarrisatun.
Correct.
Zalika hajjun.
Correct.
Ulaika hujjaj.
Correct.
Zalika masjid.
Correct.
Tilka sayyarat.
Tilka sayyaratun. Correct. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajah. Excellent. Excellent. I would have done lesson number 7, but I'm not going to do lesson number 7 because it'll be a bit too much. But I've taught lesson number 7's theme already. As I said about the adjective, when it comes for a plural, singular, plural for irrational noun, their adjective comes singular feminine. So you see here, هذه الدروس سهلة. أبواب المسجد. The word abwab, it's irrational plural. The actual khabar is coming singular feminine. مفتوحة. Even though abwab is plural. So inshallah, I'll do this lesson next week. Any questions? Inshallah, I hope you understood everything.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وعجل فرج وصحب مخرجهم والعن أعداءهم. اللهم صل على محمد وآل. التماس دعاء. Inshallah, see you at the same time. بأمان الله.
Jazakallah, Sheikh.
ढेर सारी दुआएं.
Any questions, everyone?